Good morning. Today our class is about marketing and sales analytics. You might wonder what's so special about analytics in marketing and sales? Well, this is the area where the data directly impacts company revenue and profit. Marketing and sales analytics means using data, statistics, and artificial intelligence to understand customers' behavior, measure marketing effectiveness, and make smarter business decisions. It transforms business strategy through data driven decision making and deeper insight into what customers really want. So, the business analytics play a major role in business. What is marketing and sales analytics? So, what does this term actually mean? Marketing and sales analytics is basically about gathering data from all your marketing and sales activities, then using statistical models and artificial intelligence tools to measure and improve performance. With very simple example, if you want to know which ad campaign work better, analytics will give you the answer using the real number, not just opinions or assumptions. Analytics tells us what customers like, how they behave, and how we can make our campaigns and sales process more profitable. Purpose, why do we use analytics? Companies use marketing and sales analytics for three main reasons. First, optimize campaigns. Second, drive data through driven decisions and forecast sales. Optimize campaigns make sure marketing money is spent where it delivers the best result and the campaigns are tailored to the right customers. Second, drive data driven decisions. So, decisions are based on evidence, maximizing the ROI, boosting engagement, and growing profits. Third, to forecast sales, so managers know what to expect, can plan ahead, manage inventory, and avoid surprises. So every big brand today, from Amazon to Netflix, relies on this scientific approach to outperform the competition. So requirement gathering, before any analytical projects begins, there's a one crucial step called requirement gathering. Like what does the business need to know? Who are the stakeholders? What problems are we trying to solve? So the first job is to engage everyone involved, like marketing managers, sales team, even customers. Next, define objectives. List out what challenges you want to solve and which KPIs matter, like conversion rate, campaign reach, or sales volume, and collect requirement through interviews, surveys, brainstorming, then prioritize what's the most important for the business now. Finally, document everything clearly so everyone agrees on goal, data, and success criteria before the analysis begins. To avoid confusions, later keeps the analytics work focused and ensures we solve the real business problem. Why requirement matter? Let me explain why this step truly matters. If requirement gathering is skipped or poor, we may analyze the wrong metrics. For example, tracking total website visitors but forgetting to focus on the qualified leads. It leads to mislead insight. When requirements are clear, our analysis matches business strategy. The right data gets collected and no one wastes effort going down the wrong path. Consequences of skipping this step: we analyze the wrong KPI, draw misleading conclusions, waste budget, make poor decisions. As a bottom line, strong requirement gathering saves time, money, and helps everyone to achieve their target. Now we are going to discuss about three V's of marketing data, like volume, velocity, and variety. You have a probability you have probably heard about big data. In marketing, big data is mostly defined by three V's. So volume, there's a flood of data from social media, CRM, ad platform, sales transactions, and in-house data. For example, millions of ad impressions or clicks tracked every day. Velocity. Data comes in fast. Real-time customer clicks, purchases, and online events are tracked within a second. The velocity directly involves the time. Variety. So variety, the data comes in all kind of an format. We have data in spreadsheet, text reviews, videos, weblogs, social post. It's not just a numbers. It's every kind of record you can imagine. So there are also newer ways like veracity, value, variability. But the big three remains fundamental in every analytical project. How to build a winning marketing strategy. Analytics takes marketing strategy from guesswork to precision. First, it uses the segmentation. Divide the full market into groups with the different needs, maybe by age, maybe by income, or by preferences. Next, apply targeting. Choose which segment to go after based on potential value for the business. Finally, fine tuning the positioning. Decide how you want your product or brand to be seen by that group. For example, using a customer lifetime value data helps choose the customers worth investing in for special offers. This means fewer wasted campaigns and higher returns. Marketing mix, the four P's. In marketing, the four P's are product, price, place, and promotion. Product. What are you selling? What features do customers care about? Analytic checks the product performance and customer satisfaction. Second, price. What's the best price? Advanced models like elasticity analysis helps set prices that maximize both sales volume and profit. Third, place. Where will customers find your product? Analytics can reveal which sales channels like retail, online distributors are most effective. Finally, the promotion. How do you communicate? Which ad channel work best? Use analytics to track the performance, conduct A by B test, and see what truly engage customers. For a good example, A by B testing two prices or two ads creatives reveals what resonates most with your market. Understanding the customer behavior. So the analytics, with the help of analytics, we crack the code of what makes customers buy. There are complex buying like cars or houses. Customers spend lots of time comparing. Habitual buying, it's like daily groceries, quick and low involvement. Variety seeking, switching brands just to try something new. Data sources for this include purchase history, web browsing patterns, social media engagement, and CRM record. Analytic applications here used are segmenting customers, personalizing messages, predicting churn, and designing offer that drive loyalty. The selling process and sales plan. Sales analytics starts right from the identifying potential customers, like using data to score leads and decide who to call or email first. Initial contact is optimized with insights, maybe based on behavior, like which product pages they viewed. Objections analytics also help sales and staff prepare the most data backed answers. And after closing, follow up and measure customer satisfaction to build long term relationships. The strategic sales planning also uses analytics for forecasting demand, setting targets, and optimizing territories or sales quotes. For example, you might predict increased demand in Bangalore this quarter and shift resource accordingly. Predictive analytics, the future of marketing. So this is our last topic in this topic called predictive analytics. It's all about using machine learning to spot patterns and forecast what customers will do next, like churn prediction, demand forecasting, recommendation systems, customer lifetime value. So churn prediction identify customers likely to stop using your product so you can retain them in an appropriate time. Demand forecasting, plan inventory and production more accurately. Recommendation systems suggest the right products to the right people, boosting the conversion. Customer lifetime value estimate which customers will be the most profitable in a long run. Did you know the companies using predictive targeting get three times better campaign performance and 25% increases in conversions? As a conclusion, marketing and sales analytics are about making smarter, faster business decisions by turning data into insights. We start with business needs and requirement, use the right data, tools, and models. Always tie analysis to business goals and finish with strategies that boost profit, customer satisfaction, and growth. Thank you all.